Hi.
Is it good?
Yes. Are you going to be good for the video? No. I'm going to get food everywhere. Da. Yeah. Eat up.
Have some more? You took a big spoonful that time. You must be hungry.
Oops.
You want to get your fingers into it, I think.
Me? Bridgie. Yes? You make good messes.
That's what you set off too.
You make really good messes, you do.
Open up. That's the way to do it.
Yum. Bridgie likes food.
I'll put some more. So we get some more in there. Oh, sit still. There is more. Finish up the cracker too. Look, get that little bit of your cracker in there.
All right, handsome.
Now some spinach.
All right, handsome. Those little feet. Those little feet, huh?
Open wide. Hey.
Here's a drooly boy. You look silly. You look silly.